Hi, chickens. What devious little deeds are you guys up to? Who's the prettiest chicken here? I think it has to be my Snowy. My solid white Americana. She's so pretty. Hi, Snowy. Not all chickens have names. There's Jackie. She's one of my original chickens. The little Polish chicken. See who else? Oh, yes. We have my glitter bug. He was my first rooster. Coach and Silky cross. Oh, there's Ember, because she's a cross between a Rhode Island red and a Rhode Island white. She's kind of pink. She's kind of a pink chicken. See who? Oh, there's Jackie's daughter. She doesn't have a name. Let's see. Oh, there's Red. I don't like Red. There's one of my original Franken chickens. Yeah, I don't see her sister. Oh, yes I do. Maybe I don't. Well, there's a Jersey. Whoops, there's Mother Jersey. Oh, that is her sister. Hey, what you doing? Mother Franken chicken. People stepping on my toes down here. There is my beautiful Americana rooster. Firebird. He is so sweet. Way over here, I got my Frizzle Frazzles. Hi, Frizzle Frazzles. Hi, Frizzles. You look like somebody's put you in the dryer in a bad way. Oh, yes, I see you. Oh. Yeah, there's Crazy White. Oh, my goodness. You guys think I'm feeding you again. I'm not. Let's check on the weird looking naked necks. Look. Naked necks. I'm not going to open the door because they get out. Crazy chickens! Crazy, crazy chickens! In this huge old chicken coop. A big chicken coop. Put a ladder I got at the dump in here. It works wonderful for roosting. The other green light's working. What? What? What's up, chickens? Who wants to talk to me? Any chickens want to get up close and personal? Any of you girls have something to say? Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jackie. I know you're pretty. Yeah. What is going on, chicken? You want to talk to the camera? Talk to the camera. This one will. Let me see. She wants to talk to you guys. Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. She says, never mind, I don't really. And watch them go crazy. I'll open up their food bin. Yep, see? They'll go right in. I guess I gotta feed you guys if I open it up, huh? Hold on. That'll teach me to open that up, huh? I think we got 23 chickens, which includes roosters. And Frizzle Frazzles. Alright, crazy chickens. I'll talk to you guys later. Had to update the chickens. Let's look inside there. See if we got any eggs today. No eggs. Shoop-de-dool. Oh, now I can actually look at the naked necks. So nobody's going to try to get inside. Hey, you naked necks got anything to say? You are the silliest looking birds. Let's see if I can. Yep, silly looking. I'm telling you. Silly, silly birds. Alright, well, like and subscribe. And here's my crazy chickens. Woohoo! See you in the next video.